Hey guys, Ahoy here, and today I'm back, and I'm going on medium. Hurry! Man, I'm playing Flood Escape, so getting right into the game since I start up the video, which I wasn't expecting. So let's hurry. Let's do this. Go! Come on, go! If you're not gonna go, I guess I'm going. Go. I can do this. Drop. Yes, I did it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes, I did it. Good job. Okay, there's 3 of us. I hate it when I lose a person, when we lose somebody, because it's just terrible. Go. Here comes the waterworks. Go. The more you stop, the more I'm wasting time. Ah, dang it. I'll cut ahead until I make it into another. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and this is weird. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go in medium because it needs 1 player to escape. They're either gonna die or make it out, and I'm not sure, so I'm gonna spectate and see what's going on. Come on, medium. Redhead, come on, let's see. What's Redhead doing? Come on, Redhead, you can do this. Okay, so guys, this is just like me watching another guy's view, so I don't have much time on this, so guys, I might have to cut ahead until this is over. Let's see this guy finish. I do. Okay. Hey guys. Woo! He escaped. Redhead's in here. Okay, let's do this. Escape! Go. Wait. I don't think we can do that. No. Go. We're locked in. That's the name of the game. I didn't think that would happen. God, none of us survived. Well, at least that gives us a chance to get back in, so let's try and get in. I'm gonna turn this. I would pause this, but so here we go. I'm gonna cut it until it's ready. Okay, guys, it is ready. Pretty Vic. Why is your name Pretty Vicky? Oh, I thought her name was Pretty Vic. It's really Pretty Vicky. Okay, I think climbing up here is the best. Oh, that gas is so nice. Okay, guys, let me just pause. Okay, guys, so I'm on hard mode all by myself. Come on, you can do it! Make it! No! Oh, all by myself and I'm in hard! I'm just making it. Like, I don't even know how fast the water comes up. No! Wait, what? Oh, gosh, I can do that up here. Okay, no! Crap! Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut ahead again. Okay, guys, so here we go. We're ready again. Let's do this. Here we go. Okay, let's go say, come on, escape it. Oh no, I hate the water thing. I hate Flood Freezer because it's so slippery. Especially the blue parts. The blue parts are the most. Go. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, guys, let me cut ahead. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and here is the next game. I think we might about just run out of time, so, guys, see y'all next time. Goodbye.